Take a look at this YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers, where a single short can pull in millions of views. And the craziest part is that each video takes less than 5 minutes to create. Most people assume this niche is oversaturated or too competitive, but that assumption couldn't be more wrong. It's called the fake tech story niche, and it's one of the most evergreen and scalable niches on YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now. Creators have been posting these videos for months, even years, and are still getting massive reach, strong engagement, and consistent monthly income. This niche works because fake tech stories are relatable and emotional. They tap into real-life themes like love, betrayal, secrets, and revenge, hooking viewers in the first few seconds and keeping them watching until the very end. Exactly what the algorithm loves: high retention and non-stop engagement. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process I use to create viral fake tech story videos in under 5 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll use a powerful AI tool called Teza to make the process fast and simple. So watch till the end, and let's jump right in. The very first step in creating viral fake tech story videos is having an engaging, high-retention text script. To make this step extremely simple, I've created a ready-to-use Google Doc with script prompts, specifically designed for this niche. These prompts are structured to help you generate emotional, suspense-filled stories that keep viewers watching until the very end, which is exactly what the YouTube Shorts and TikTok algorithms reward. You'll find the link to this Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, go ahead and hit the like button. That small action tells the YouTube algorithm that this video is valuable, and it helps push this content to more creators who want to grow on YouTube Shorts and TikTok using AI. Now let's continue with this tutorial. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the full script prompt provided there. This prompt is specially designed to generate high-engagement fake text story scripts for viral shorts and TikTok videos. Once you have the prompt, open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI writer that works for you. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box. Before hitting enter, make one simple adjustment in the prompt. Specify how many video topics you want the AI to generate. This ensures you get multiple options to choose from, so you can pick the story idea most likely to go viral. After you hit enter, within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of click-worthy, attention-grabbing video topics tailored specifically to the fake tech story niche. Take a moment to carefully review the results and select the topic you like best. Once you've chosen your topic, input the number of the topic you selected and hit enter again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a fully developed, engaging fake text story script in a chat/text format, ready to turn into a viral video. Now that we have our fake text story script ready, it's time to turn it into a viral text story video. For this, we'll be using Teza. Teza is one of the best AI tools for creators who want to create viral, trending content in minutes for both YouTube Shorts and TikTok. But Teza isn't just any video generator. It's designed specifically for creators who want to make a real return on investment with faceless content. In fact, if you don't see results, you can use Teza for 1 month completely free. To get started, head over to Teza using the link in the description. Click on Start Going Viral Now and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the homepage. The first thing you'll notice is Get Your Page Reviewed. Clicking this will take you to the Teza Discord server, where Teza review every page for free, whether you have a subscription or not. But if you have an active Teza subscription, you also get one-on-one mentorship from algorithm experts, which makes it almost impossible not to make a return on your investment. That's what makes Teza so unique. You rarely see an AI tool that combines video creation, trending niche ideas, and expert mentorship all in one platform. Back on the Teza homepage, you'll also see a variety of trending niches you can create in minutes, including Sora 2, Smart Cut Clips, Streamer Clipper, Reddit Story, Text Story, and many more. For today's tutorial, we're focusing specifically on text story videos. Once you click on text story, you'll be taken to the text story creation interface inside Teza. The first section you'll see is the script section. Here you have 2 options. First, input your own script if you already have one, or generate a brand new script directly inside Teza. If you don't have any ideas, Teza even provides inspiration and trending story prompts right below, which you can choose from to get started quickly. Since we already have our script ready, we'll use the first option. You'll see a space to paste your script 1 line at a time. Next, there's the alignment option. Right alignment is for the sender, and left alignment is for the receiver. You can also edit the content type, switching between text or images depending on what you want to include in your video. Now let's start inputting our script. The first alignment is right, which is the sender. Head back to your ChatGPT script. Remember, in our story, the wife is the sender and the husband is the receiver. Copy the wife's first text, return to Teza, and paste it under the right alignment. Next, click on Add Left, which is the receiver, and the left alignment will open. Then copy the husband's first text from ChatGPT and paste it in Teza. Now repeat this process for the rest of your script until every line is entered correctly. Once your script is fully inputted, click Next to move on to the Style section, where we'll make your text story look visually engaging and scroll-stopping. First, upload the receiver image, which in our story is the image of the husband. Next, input the receiver's name. Once that's done, you'll see a variety of text themes. Go through them and select the one you like best. You also have the option to customize the text theme, including font size, message reveal animations, and other visual effects to make your video more engaging. Once you're happy with the text style, click Next to move on to the video section. Here, you can select your background video. You'll first see a green screen background, which is perfect if you want to add a custom background later. There are also plenty of other themed backgrounds like Minecraft, Trackmania, and more. Browse through the options and pick the one that fits your story best. Once selected, click Next to move on to the audio section. This is where you'll add the voices for both the sender and receiver. Click on Select Left Voice for the receiver, who in our story is a man. Teza offers a wide range of realistic AI voices. Preview each one and select the voice you like best. Then click on Select Right Voice for the sender, who is a woman, and choose a voice that fits her character. Next, set your voice speed. You can make it fast or slow depending on your preference. And Teza lets you preview the speed so you can see exactly how it will sound in your video. Once all of this is set, click Next, and you'll be prompted to export your video. Click Export, and Teza will start creating your viral fake text story video. The process only takes a few seconds, and once it's done, go ahead and download it to your device. Now that it's ready, let's take a look at our final result.
Don't come home.
What? I'm 10 minutes away.
I'm serious. Turn around.
Why are you texting like this? What's going on?
He knows.
Knows what?
Everything.
Did someone see us?
Doesn't matter now.
Are you talking about her? Because I swear it was only once.
This isn't about the affair.
And what are you talking about?
I told them.
Told who?
Police.
Why would you do that?
Couldn't sleep anymore.
About the cheating?
No.
Then what?
The hit and run.
Stop joking.
I'm not.
You promised. You said no one saw.
Someone did.
Where are you right now?
The station.
You're ruining everything.
No.
And why does this feel like a setup?
Because it is.
What do you mean?
I didn't tell them we did it. I told them you were driving.
You're lying.
Check your rearview mirror. I'm done covering for you.
Please.
Don't come home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.